Okay, so I made some more changes to this file so we can look at adding images. One of the changes is that I have this section here, this new section, that's just an empty section with a class of full width hero. So there's going to be an image that's full width there. It's creating this empty space right now, but we'll fill that in with an image. And then down here I have this new section that has 3 benefits, and we're going to put in images there as well. So you can see we have a benefits section with 3 divs: class equals data analytics, code deployment, and networking. And each one of those divs has an H2 and a P. So what we want to do is add the images. Now if we take a look at the root folder, I've added in an image folder, and we have 4 images. We have this image for code, data analysis, networking, and then server room. The server room is going to be the full width image, so we'll try to add that in first. And again, we're going to use the CSS designer to do this, so I'm looking in my code, and I want to target the full width hero class. So in the selectors, I'm going to click on this, start typing in a dot, and it should show me all of my classes, and there's the full width one. So that's the class that I want to apply. And what I need to do is provide a background image. So background dash image, and then should allow me to choose the image. In this case, it doesn't. It's interesting. So the background image that I want to choose, I have to go out. So this is in my CSS file, which is in the CSS folder, but my image is in the images folder. So if you look at the structure here, so I'm in CSS right now. I have to hop back out of CSS, go into the root, then go into images and grab the serverroom.jpg file. So to do that, I'm going to click in here, and so it would be /img / server -room.jpg. Okay, so I've added in the background image, and the background image needs a URL, and then the URL, it will allow you to browse to and find the image. So I browsed to the image and I found it. And then the background size is cover, so that it will fill across the screen. And you can see that's doing that right now. The other thing is I added the background position, top and left, and then background repeat. It shouldn't repeat, so no repeat there. Okay, so that added that in. If we take a look in the browser and we go to the page and refresh, gotta save all the files, file, save all, and then here we go. So now you see the image in there. Okay, so the next thing is adding the individual images here. So in Dreamweaver, we'll go to the section that we want, and we need an image to add here. So if you go to Insert and you go to Image, we want to go to the image folder, and this first section is data analysis. Go ahead and choose that. So that pulls that image in. Going to give it an alt text of data analytics. It should be centered. We're going to have to adjust the styles for that. We can do the same for this section. So go down a line, insert image, and this one should be code deployment. All these images are 500 by 500 pixels. And then go down the line, insert image. And again, this one will be network. Not network. Yeah, network. So I picked the wrong one for the background. So I'll have to go back and fix that. All right, so those are too big and we'll fix that. But let's go back here. This is the wrong image. So the full width hero has the wrong image. So we want to go into the properties for that, the background image, and click on the folder. And it should be the server room image that I want for that. Yeah, and that looks much better. Okay. So if we save those changes and we look at it in the browser and refresh that, again, I have to save all files. So now we have this nice full width server image, and then we have our data analytics, our code deployment, and our network image. And then we'll fix this, the size and the scaling with some CSS tricks in the next video.